Okay, class, picking up where we left off at, we have C here, and we're doing synthetic division. Here, of course, we would take the opposite, which would give us positive 5, and we'll take the coefficients of all of these terms in the numerator, which would be 2, negative 11, 8, and negative 17. We would draw a line here to give us space for the numbers we would have down here. And we will have to draw a line separating the last two numbers and also giving us the remainder just in case we have one. So now, we always bring down that first number. So we take 5 times 2 is 10. We'll put it under the next number. Negative 11 plus 10 is negative 1. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. And 5 times 3 is 15. Negative 17 plus 15 is a negative 2. So we have a remainder of negative 2. So we would start this off the same way we did in the other problems. Remember, our lead variable must have an exponent that's 1 less than what we started with. We started off with the third power. So this will give us 2x to the second power. Minus, we know it to be minus 1x or minus x plus 3. And then we would have minus 2 over the denominator we started with, which is x minus 5. Because this negative sign determines the operation that we would use here, which would be a minus. So it would be minus 2 over x minus 5. And this right here is the final answer. Now, are there any questions on C? Now we come here to D. Now with D, we take the opposite here of our denominator. This would be negative 3. And then we would have the coefficients. We would have 2, 7. Now look here. This is x cubed, x squared. We don't have an x here. So to represent x, we would put 0, then negative 5. Because we must have it in order. It must be exactly in order. So now, we would do this. We would bring down the first value, which is 2. Negative 3 times 2 is a negative 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Negative 3 times 1 is a negative 3. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Negative 5 plus 9 will give us positive 4. So now again, we started off with our highest exponent being 3. So our highest exponent in our solution must be 2. So it'll be 2x squared plus, we know this would be 1x or just x, minus 3. And we have a remainder of 4, and it's positive, so it'll be plus 4 over. Our denominator was x plus 3. And that is the final answer. Are there any questions? Any questions? Okay.